Nature operates in its own rhythm, guiding humans to observe and learn from their surroundings. Every element, from plants to mountains, offers valuable lessons. Humans should embrace this wisdom, reflecting on each step and understanding the purpose behind every aspect. Rivers exemplify resilience, navigating obstacles with flexibility, never stubbornly adhering to one path. Aerial views reveals their winding journeys, adapting dozens of times. This teaches humans the value of flexibility and discernment, while obstinate individuals resist change. Wise ones adjust and explore alternative routes. Effective individuals embrace the two steps forward, one step back approach, navigating life's complexities with adaptability and wisdom.